Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Gnomish Engineering in Wrath of the Lich King. To begin your journey, ensure your character has reached level 35 and possesses an engineering skill of at least 200. This foundational skill level is crucial before you can specialize. Once these requirements are met, you're ready for the next exciting step in becoming a master Gnomish engineer. Once your engineering skill is at 200, your next destination is Booty Bay. Head to the engineering trainer there, who will offer you the quest to specialize in Gnomish engineering. This quest is your gateway to unlocking a world of unique gadgets and schematics. Make sure to accept it to officially start your specialization journey. To complete the Gnomish engineering quest, you'll need to gather a few specific items. First, collect 6 mithril tubes. Then, you'll need to craft 1 accurate scope. Once you have both the mithril tubes and the accurate scope, return to the trainer in Booty Bay to turn them in. Congratulations, you are now a specialized Gnomish engineer. As a Gnomish engineer, you gain access to exclusive schematics and powerful gadgets, like the versatile Gnomish army knife. This specialization opens up a world of innovative tools and devices that can greatly enhance your gameplay. You'll be able to craft items that other engineers can only dream of. Also, for a different kind of upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your new engineering path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.